Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to hide WhatsApp notifications on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we'll need to go to Settings on the iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to the bottom and find with you an application called WhatsApp. Go here. Here we open Notifications. And in order to hide WhatsApp notifications, we can just turn them off at the top. Now, we won't get them anymore. But if we want to, let's say we want them to come to us. At the top, at the bottom, or if we want them to come with a notification with a sound, we can also turn the sound off, turn the sound on. Add, remove. We can also click on WhatsApp notification settings. Here also, when we go to WhatsApp, we can on iPhone, we can on other phones. Here we have chat and calls, we click settings. And notifications. After that, here also we can experiment with these settings. Hide something, add something, turn something on. Turn off, turn on, and so on. This is how easy it is to hide notifications on WhatsApp. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.